Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to change the real-time update speed of processes within Task Manager on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the real-time update feature of the Task Manager shows the status of apps, background processes, and services on your PC and the impact they have on its hardware resources such as CPU, memory, and storage drive in real time. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on a taskbar. So dito lang sa blank space area ng ating taskbar, so kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung Task Manager. And once na-open mo na tong Task Manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung settings. So i-click mo lang yan. At dito lang sa right side, under dito sa settings, ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung real-time update speed. Kung paano ba yan natin i-change into real-time update speed. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then may mga option naman dito na pwede nating select like high, normal, low, and post. Kung gusto natin ilagay dito sa speed, ilagay natin dito yung high. So, iselect mo lang yung high. Ayan. So, once na change mo na dito yung real-time update speed po niya, and then wala ka ng ibang gagawin na dito na settings, and then close mo lang siya, and that's it. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to change the Task Manager real-time update speed in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.